lovely buyers that just closed on a townhouse in Long Beach.
Yeah, buddy.
And I wanted to ask you, so why did you decide to buy?
There you go. I made you talking.
Yeah, it's okay. We can do it together. We rented for a lot of years, and we really decided that we wanted to buy a house, you know, add equity to like our future.
Yeah. You know, we just got tired of paying someone else's mortgage, and we found a place we love. I mean, walking distance from the beach, so how could you not buy it?
I agree. And what made you want to work with me?
Oh, so we actually got a referral from one of our friends, and we were a little hesitant because it was a pretty wild market. But then we met Marija, and I mean, she kept a positive attitude even when we were a little bit worried about, you know, this crazy market. So, I mean, it was a fantastic opportunity, and oh man, we do it again in a heartbeat, so it's fantastic.
Nice. And how did you feel about the outcome?
Oh my gosh, I mean, we own the place and we're still hanging out with Marija, so I mean, she was fantastic. We love our home. Like I said, it's walking to the beach. It's walking to downtown. It's a beautiful place. And I mean, it's nice to be able to build some equity, and we can finally have a dog. So I mean, it's perfect.
Yay! Awesome. Well, congratulations, and I'm so happy for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for the trust. You're welcome.
Thank you.